Unleashing the Power of ChatGPT. Part 7, Case Studies and Success Stories. Welcome to the exciting world of case studies and success stories, where we'll showcase how ChatGPT has revolutionized social media marketing for a variety of brands. In this video, we'll explore specific strategies, remarkable results, and valuable lessons learned. Let's dive in. Case Study 1, Fashion Brand X. Transforming Content Creation. Fashion brand X, known for its trendy apparel, leveraged ChatGPT to enhance their content creation process. By using ChatGPT to generate engaging captions and creative storytelling, they significantly reduced the time and effort required to produce compelling social media content. As a result, Fashion Brand X experienced a 30% increase in social media engagement, a 20% growth in website traffic, and a 15% boost in sales conversions. The key lesson from this case study is that ChatGPT can streamline content creation and drive tangible business outcomes. Case Study 2, Fitness Influencer Y, Personalized Engagement. Fitness influencer Y utilized ChatGPT to personalize their interactions with social media followers. By using the model to respond to comments, answer inquiries, and provide personalized recommendations, influencer Y established a stronger connection with their audience. This personalized engagement strategy led to a 50% increase in follower engagement, a significant rise in brand loyalty, and collaborations with top fitness brands. The lesson learned here is that ChatGPT enables influencers to create meaningful connections with their audience, resulting in increased engagement and brand advocacy. Case Study 3, Restaurant Z, Data-Driven Advertising. Restaurant Z tapped into the data-driven advertising potential of ChatGPT. By analyzing social media data and leveraging ChatGPT's insights, they optimized their ad campaigns to target the most relevant audience segments. This approach resulted in a 40% increase in ad click-through rates, a 25% rise in table reservations, and a notable boost in overall brand awareness. The key takeaway from this case study is that ChatGPT's data-driven insights can significantly enhance the effectiveness of social media advertising campaigns. Case Study 4, Travel Agency A, Trend Identification and Viral Content. Travel Agency A used ChatGPT to identify emerging travel trends and create viral content. By analyzing social media data, they identified popular destinations, unique travel experiences, and emerging travel preferences. By aligning their content strategy with these trends, Travel Agency A experienced a 60% increase in social media followers, a 35% growth in website traffic, and a surge in bookings for trending destinations. The lesson learned from this case study is that ChatGPT empowers brands to stay ahead of the curve and leverage trends to their advantage, driving engagement and conversions. Case Study 5, Technology Company B, Targeted Messaging and Product Recommendations. Technology Company B harnessed ChatGPT to personalize their messaging and provide targeted product recommendations. By analyzing customer data and employing ChatGPT's language generation capabilities, they created personalized social media content that resonated with their audience. This strategy resulted in a 50% increase in social media conversions, a higher customer satisfaction rating, and an expansion of their customer base. The lesson learned here is that ChatGPT enables brands to deliver tailored messaging and recommendations, leading to improved customer engagement and sales growth. These case studies highlight the diverse industries and niches in which ChatGPT has made a significant impact. From fashion to fitness, from restaurants to travel agencies, and from technology companies to influencers, ChatGPT has proven its transformative power in social media marketing. By implementing specific strategies tailored to their objectives, these brands have achieved remarkable results, including increased engagement, higher conversions, improved brand awareness, and strengthened customer relationships. The lessons learned from these case studies emphasize the importance of leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities to streamline content creation, personalize audience engagement, drive data-driven insights, optimize advertising campaigns, and adhere to ethical guidelines. The success stories showcased here illustrate that ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can be tailored to meet the unique needs of different industries and niches. Its ability to generate engaging content, provide personalized recommendations, and analyze data has propelled brands to new heights in the realm of social media marketing. These case studies also underline the importance of understanding the specific goals and target audience of each brand. By aligning ChatGPT's capabilities with their objectives, brands were able to create highly effective social media strategies that resonated with their followers. Furthermore, these success stories shed light on the lessons learned throughout the implementation process. Brands realized the value of continuous monitoring and analysis to fine-tune their strategies based on audience preferences and trends. They recognized the need for transparency, fact-checking, and responsible usage of ChatGPT to maintain credibility and foster trust with their audience. The diverse applications of ChatGPT showcased in these case studies demonstrate its versatility and potential for transformative impact across various industries. From fashion and fitness to restaurants, travel agencies, and technology companies, ChatGPT has proven to be a valuable asset in driving social media success. As we conclude this video, we encourage marketers to explore the possibilities of ChatGPT and adapt its functionalities to their unique social media marketing strategies. By leveraging its capabilities, brands can enhance content creation, personalize audience engagement, gain valuable insights from data analysis, optimize advertising campaigns, and navigate the ethical considerations associated with AI usage. Remember, the success stories presented here are just a glimpse of what ChatGPT can achieve. Embrace the opportunities it presents, stay innovative, and continue to push the boundaries of social media marketing with the power of ChatGPT. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the transformative impact of ChatGPT in social media marketing. We hope these case studies have inspired you and provided valuable insights to elevate your own strategies. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment.